then it is called small effect size. Okay. Okay. Then we can get another result here from, that is collinearity statistics, that we need to give the result,
effect
present the result
size.
as well. Hello.
Sir, I have question related to effect size.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I have question
Okay.
related to
Please,
effect
please,
size.
please, please proceed, please.
Okay. Sir, if we find effect size 0 with insignificant relationship of two variables, how can we justify it?
Normally, you will not find any, if it is effect size is 0, and you will not find any significant relationship. If there is any significant relationship, at least it would be weak effect, at least 0.02 you will find the result.
Uh, Sir, I can share a picture into the group so can my question can be clarified. Please see this picture.
Okay.
Tunggu. Duit aku bang deh.
Please mute your mic, Vishnu.
Uh, Sir, sir, I have shared a picture into the group.
Yes. See the path coefficient, it is showing negative relationship, that means it is not
Yes,
significant, negative 0.08. So it is not significant result. And
yes.
also the last one, TFL with word A, it is also negative 0.03. So it is also not significant. That's why it is, I already told you, if it is not significant, then it comes 0, effect size is 0.
So it means the results are accurate. These
Yes,
are correct results.
yes, yes, yes.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
And sir, my second question is related to predictive relevance. And I think for to know the predictive relevance, we should run blindfolding procedure.
Yeah.
So I think when we discuss the Q scare, okay,
Yes, I am coming to blindfolding test for getting the result of the yeah, Q square, cross validated redundancy, and other thing that I shall talk. Just let me finish the collinearity, then I shall go for the blindfolding test, that is the Q square result. Okay, predictive relevance. So
all right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
welcome. So inner VIF values, okay, these inner VIF values, according to higher, it should be less than 5, and according to another researcher, I can say, who is this, okay, okay, point VIF 3.3, I cannot pronounce his name. The What is the name? Anybody can help me? What is the name of this? Diamantopoulos and Singer. He, according to this author, it cannot be higher than 3.3. According to higher, it cannot exist 5. So this is called a variance inflation factor. And how to present the result? You will go to inner VIF and take the Excel sheet, and you will present the result on Excel sheet. And how to present the result? exogenous variables over dependent variable or endogenous variable. Okay, this is the result. It is less than 3.3 as well as less than 5. Now, after presenting this result, we need to present the another result for our as predictive relevance. Do you have any idea what is predictive relevance? Why we do the blindfolding test? Anybody have any idea? Hello? Anybody have any idea? Are you listening to me? Hello? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, can you please show again how do you have calculated? Okay. Brother, very simple. You will in the PLS algorithm in collinearity statistics (VIF). If you go to the report, then you will find this result and inner VIF values. This is called the inner VIF values. Okay, that you can extract from here, Excel format. So, we need to calculate the result of predictive relevance. Predictive relevance means if your data set that you used for getting your result, this data set has adequately predicting its result or not. That can be done through the blindfolding procedure. Suppose the data set that you have in the blindfolding test, what the software do, they suppose in our data is in tabular form, so it fold one row, then run the 5,000 times, then again the one another column they fold it and run it simultaneously. Whole data set one by one they block it and run, and after that what the result we get, it is called, that's why it is called blindfolding result, the q square result. If the q square result is more than 0, then we assume that your data set has adequate predictive relevance. So, how to do it? If you go to your software again, and if you go to your model, everybody please open your model by clicking on workshop practice, sorry. So, then go to the calculate, then the third option is blindfolding. Everybody please follow me, go to your model and go to calculate and click on the third option. Everybody following me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just
Yes,
click
sir.
on there. Then here keep it as it is, just start calculation. So, you get the result of this, right? So, construct cross validated redundancy and construct cross validated communality. How to extract the result and how to present the result? It is construct cross validated redundancy. This is the result. You can extract these results and put it into the Excel sheet. Then please mute your mic, please, everybody. go construct cross-validated communality and extract the results from here, CCR and CCC. So we just put the result of Q square results. So we need not to put the result or only for endogenous variable. We put the result of endogenous variable. Endogenous variable is our performance, right? So here you can write here CCR and you can say CCC. Actually it is not coming down in my Excel, maybe I may have some problem. However, so this is how we present the result of, or you can write the CCR here. I cannot, CCR and CCC. Okay. This result showing that if it is more than 0, that means it has adequate predictive, your data set has adequate predictive relevance. This is the result for assessment of the structural model. One is hypothesis result, another is collinearity, inner VIF, then Q square value. This is the Q square value for predictive relevance, as well as the F square and R square value that we need to present for our structural model. Okay. Now I need to show the mouse. So now we have done our first model, that is now we shall go for the
Excuse me,
yes, please.
sir. I have a question here.
Okay.
Sir, as I have I talked about previously how to find out a small q square values into the model. Sir, just like show into the picture.
Just a minute, brother. The
Sir,
power came, but I am not getting my laptop power. Just a minute. Just 1 minute.
all right.
কারেন্ট আসছে না, কারেন্ট আসে না। Okay. Yes, brother. What you are talking, please. Hello. 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 Are you there?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes,
You are
yes.
audible.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes. You are asking one question. Please ask me.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am talking about small q square values just showed into the picture. How can we find these values using smart PLS?
Okay. A small
I
q
have
square.
shared a picture into the group.
Yes, the previous one.
Yes, sir. Small
Okay,
Q square value.
a small q square
Yes,
value.
sir.
Like which one? Can you indicate? A small, yes, it would be not very
Uh,
high, but you see, the q square value, we don't put the result like this. The q square value comes for the endogenous variable. The way I have present the result, this is the way to present the result. Our endogenous variable is performance. So based on your endogenous variable, you have to put the result. The way you present the result, it is not the right way. You got the point, brother?
all right, got it.
Okay.
Yes, yes, I got your point. All right, sir. I got your point. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
brother.
Thank you.
Okay, brother. So we shall go to the next our next model. That is the mediation analysis. Can anybody say what is mediation? We all are matured
Yes,
listeners.
in
Yes, yes,
psychology
please.
and behavioral sciences, mediation means it is a throughput. Throughput means the input and output in between this process analyze. So for example, one variable produces one outcome. That outcome in turn produces another outcome. So the intervening variable is here is mediating variable.
Intervening
Can you
variable,
follow, brother?
the variable that works as a mediator. Okay.
Right, it mediates the relationship between two
Two
variables.
variables, yes, it comes. It has so when a variable, two variable has their direct relationship, there might be a indirect relationship with other variable. So that's why in Baron and Kinney in 1984, 84, I think, for the first time, they talked about the mediating variable, and
86,
from there
86.
onward, we consider the variable in our study as yeah, different mediating variable. And in the mediating variable, there should be the relationship between IV and the mediator and DV. So when we can have a relationship that is there any mediation or not. So that is the concept. So a mediator transmits the effect of antecedents on the outcome. Antecedents means independent variable. On the outcome, outcome means the dependent variable, either in part of or whole. It might be partial or it might be the full mediation. That's why it is part or whole. And suppose we have a direct relationship x and y, that is called a direct relationship, and indirect means x through the m is the mediator. So here m is the mediator, and the relationship between x and m is denoted, this relationship is by defined by the a, and mediator to dv is defined by the v. And we find the mediator as yeah, path is c, the mediating variable. So direct plus indirect effect of x on y indicates that the direct of x on y can be transmitted directly from x on y, c hash, or indirectly through a mediator, or mediator a path a is to into b. So electricity issue, I don't know how long I can be with you. Maybe already my laptop is going to down. It is 19% are there. So inshallah we can until it stops, we can continue. If it is stops, you will wait until the electricity comes, then I can start again, brother. So let's
What
Sir,
time? Bro?
I have a question, sir.
okay, please.
So in the like the mediator, is it the extraneous variable?
they are both the same thing. The extraneous variable and mediator. Are
Actually,
these both?
actually, mediator sometimes it works as a dependent variable or endogenous variable. Sometimes it is an exogenous variable. When we consider mediator and dv, then it is mediator is working as this variable is working as exogenous. But if it is normally it is endogenous variable, we consider the mediator as endogenous variable. So we consider the mediator if it is suppose x and m in here in this relationship, m is the outcome variable or the dependent variable. But when we consider it in the middle and x on y through m, then we say it is mediator, and it is normally an endogenous variable we consider. So is it okay? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Baronan Kidney, okay, how to 95, how to get the results. So now we shall draw this picture. Ways, welfare and performance in the middle. It is coming. The satisfaction, job satisfaction is coming. So ways has a
Assalamualaikum, sir. I can't listen you. I think there is a huge problem of internet on your side.
maybe in my laptop. I think the power. I don't have the power. It is already 15%, 16%.
But we are listening you properly.
Or maybe she has problem. Okay, thank you. So this is the mediation analysis. We have the mediator of job satisfaction. Can anyone tell me how many hypotheses over here in this mediation model? How many hypotheses over here?
Five.
Hmm?
Five. Sir,
Five.
five. Five
Five
hypotheses.
hypotheses.
Five.
Five.
Everybody
Seven.
agreed on this? Five hypotheses?
Sir, we agree.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. I had the internet problem and I was disconnected. Can you please repeat this slide? Sorry for that.
Yes. Yes. Please, how many hypotheses over here?
Uh,
Can anybody tell about
Doctor,
this?
seven. Seven hypotheses.
Huh?
Seven. Seven. Seven hypotheses.
Seven hypotheses. Actually, there are two school of
three,
thought. One is
five.
either you have to consider four or you have to consider seven. Okay, because
Okay.
one school of thought they told that if you are considering the hypothesis the IV with mediator and mediator with DV, if you are in that school of thought, then you can consider it seven. Suppose ways with performance 1, welfare with performance 2, and ways with satisfaction 3, satisfaction with performance 4, and welfare with satisfaction 5, and satisfaction in between ways and performance 6, and satisfaction in between welfare and performance. This is the 7. So this is the 7. Otherwise you can consider it 4, like ways with performance 1, welfare with performance 2, and satisfaction in between ways and performance, and satisfaction in between welfare and performance. There are 4. So you can go for the 7 or you can go for the 4. Okay, you can consider any of them. So how to create the mediating model? We shall create the model like this. So let's go to your so this is our model, right? So we can keep the same model and we can add the mediator as well, that we learn here. So how can we just close all all of them, or how many here open the window, we will close all the windows, but when the final window comes, of course you will save it. When Just save it. Yes. You have unsaved changes in one file. Yes. You want to save it. Yes. Now you have saved it. What will we do? We have the workplace. So have you, everybody has closed all the windows? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what will you do? You will just click the right button over workshop practice, the here. Click on over here and just copy. Your battery is running low. What can I do? Can you wait for maybe half an hour to 1 hour? The electricity will come back. I was using my laptop. Actually, the power, no power here. So can you wait until my power comes?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No
yes,
worries.
Yes,
Prof.
sir.
Let's wait for
Okay.
you. Let's wait for the power to return.
Yes.
Maybe you just alert
Yes,
us on
sir.
WhatsApp.
Yes.
Also,
Please,
WhatsApp.